Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting and must-have product to discuss: the Rexing V1P 4K car dash cam with a built-in radar detector. If you're looking for the ultimate car accessory that combines a high-resolution dash cam with a radar detector, you've come to the right place. The Rexing V1P offers unparalleled features that make it the best radar detector with a dash cam available in the market. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features of the Rexing V1P 4K car dash cam and explain why it's a must-have for any driver concerned about safety and security on the road. Let's start with its dual-channel recording feature. The Rexing V1P allows you to record from two separate perspectives simultaneously by connecting the included discrete rear camera to the front camera. This means you can capture what's happening both in front of and behind your vehicle, providing comprehensive coverage. The Rexing V1P records in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution from its front camera, ensuring that you get crystal clear video footage of your journeys. Whether it's capturing breathtaking scenery or documenting important incidents, this dash cam delivers exceptional video quality. Now, let's talk about what sets this dash cam apart: the built-in radar detector. With the Rexing V1P, you'll receive real-time alerts for speed traps, red light cameras, and other potential traffic hazards. It's like having a co-pilot watching out for you. Another standout feature is the supercapacitor. Unlike traditional battery-operated dash cams, the supercapacitor ensures reliable performance in extreme temperatures, from scorching heat to freezing cold. Stay connected with the built-in Wi-Fi and mobile app. You can easily transfer your dash cam recordings to your smartphone or tablet, making it a breeze to share footage from your trips with friends and family. The Rexing V1P also includes loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest recordings on the memory card when it's full, ensuring you never miss a moment. And in case of a collision, the G sensor locks the current video to keep important footage protected from being overwritten. In summary, the Rexing V1P 4K car dash cam with a built-in radar detector is the ultimate road companion for any driver. It offers dual-channel recording, 4K Ultra HD video quality, a radar detector for real-time alerts, a supercapacitor for reliability, and convenient Wi-Fi connectivity. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this dash cam has you covered. If you want to enhance your driving experience with the best radar detector with a dash cam, don't hesitate to check out the Rexing V1P. We've provided a link in the video description for your convenience. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informative product reviews. And as always, drive safe and stay tuned for more great reviews right here on Product Critique.